How to open XTB trading account? Follow these instructions. Visit the XTB website or download xStation app and tap Open Live Account to start the registration process. Enter your email, create a strong password, select your country, and accept the terms to continue sign up. Provide your full name, date of birth, address, phone number, job info, income level, and trading experience. Upload a valid photo ID, passport, ID card, and address proof like a utility bill or recent bank statement. Wait while XTB verifies your identity and documents, usually completed within a few hours or one business day. Select your preferred account type, Standard, Pro, or Islamic, and choose your base currency for the account. Deposit funds using bank transfer, credit card, or e-wallet, then start trading on the xStation platform easily. Thank you for watching.